In this video, I just want to give a few points of why I like the Warrior Plus network. One reason is because it's easier for affiliates to see your offer. If you compare it to other affiliate networks out there, it's a lot easier for affiliates to actually see your offer. You get a lot of exposure on this network. So let's just take a look at the offer section here. So this is where I would go as an affiliate. If I were looking for an offer, I would go in the offer section and you could sort by date, sales, conversion, etc. Okay, here I've sorted it by date. So the newest releases, the newest products are showing up first. So if that's what I'm looking for to promote to my list, I can just go down this list. So basically, if you create a product, I will see your product here on the network. Okay, and usually what attracts my attention is the ones that have plenty of sales. I also look at the title to see if it's something that my list would be interested in. Okay, another reason why I like the Warrior Plus is because if you get awarded Deal of the Day, you will get a lot of exposure. Just having the Deal of the Day banner gives you a lot of credibility, and you could also see all the deals of the day here. So again, if I'm an affiliate, I'm looking for a hot product to promote, I'll just go to Deal of the Day, and I can see the most recent deals of the day here, and I could click to view more, see the ones in the past. Okay, another reason why I like the Warrior Plus network is because it's easy to set up your offers here and your funnels. And I'll show that in another video how easy it is to set up a funnel and an offer on this network. Okay, and another reason why I like the Warrior Plus network is it's easier than most networks, affiliate networks, to list your product here.